Okay, this is a test for the distance of Wi-Fi off of the house with the new router to show you what you can do. There's my house there. I've got clear line of sight and I have full signal. I'm approximately 80 feet from the house. The router is in the bottom of the property in my office on the far wall. So it's going through one wall, one window, and this is what I have for signal right here. I've got full signal at band 6. So I tested this yesterday, but I didn't put it on video. I did use my iPad and this cell phone, which is a Motorola phone. And the iPad is probably 7 years old, running on 2.4 gigahertz. And I get approximately 160 feet out of it. And you can see I still have signal here on this device. And I can test the speed test right here. Let's see what it does. Run speed test. This is because I've got crappy service, but yeah, you can see it getting internet. And just to show you, make sure I'm shutting the mobile data off, and we'll redo the test. Speed test, here we go. Mobile data, run speed test. Okay, still getting the signal. And you can see I'm quite away from the house at this point in time. And like I said, I just have crappy internet here. That's what's the problem. Yesterday, I got 205 feet off of it. You can see it's starting to drop. I still haven't lost connection. Still have connection. And you can see the hammock area, the swim area here. Starting drop connection. And again, this is, I don't know, there's a few trees in the way. Line of sight. I did test it in the front yard and around the whole house. Hit 100 feet, no problem with this router. No problem. The whole house works. And this is the first part of this video. And here's the swim hole. Let's hit the run speed test. Let's see what it's got. 0. Nothing. So it's not connecting. Was connecting the other day. Down here, it's not connecting now. Oh, there it goes. Very slow. Very, very slow connection with data. Off the router. But it is picking it up. I mean, theoretically, you could put a repeater down here. Stop recording.